In this video, you'll learn how to cash out on Binance. This guide will walk you through the process of converting your cryptocurrency into fiat currency and initiating a withdrawal to your bank account or payment method of choice. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the trade section or select the convert option from the menu. Here, you will convert your cryptocurrency into a fiat currency that is supported in your region. It is essential to ensure that the fiat currency you select aligns with your local regulations. After selecting your desired crypto and fiat currencies, confirm the conversion. This action will update your account balance. To verify that the conversion was successful, check your fiat wallet balance. It is important to note that funds must be in fiat currency before you can proceed with the withdrawal process. Next, proceed to the wallet section of your account. Within this area, locate and select the withdraw option. This will direct you to the withdrawal interface. Here, choose the fiat withdrawal option to initiate the process. You will then need to select your preferred bank account or payment method for receiving the funds. After selecting your payment method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. It is advisable to check your available balance to ensure that you are not attempting to withdraw more than you have. Once you have entered the desired withdrawal amount, proceed to the next step. To finalize your withdrawal request, you will need to complete the two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA verification. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Upon successful verification, confirm your withdrawal request. The processing time for your withdrawal may vary depending on the payment method. You can check the withdrawal history to confirm that your request has been completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.